Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm back with another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can log into your Dollar General account. So to log into your Dollar General account, you'll need the Dollar General app. So make sure you have downloaded the Dollar General app on your mobile device. Open the Dollar General app. Once you open the app, you'll see some slides which tell you about the app. So go through them. Tap on the next button. Once you go through the slides, you land on an interface where you have the option to sign in to your Dollar General account. Here you'll need to enter your credentials, so enter your email or phone number and your password. Then tap on the sign in button. Once you have done that, you will sign in to your Dollar General account. Now you can enjoy shopping from Dollar General. You can buy clothing, home decor, pet supplies, groceries and many more household products from Dollar General. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.